Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Google Trends to discover trending ideas and topics before they become popular. Finding the right ideas at the right time is essential for content creators, marketers, bloggers, and business owners. And Google Trend is one of the most powerful free tools to do exactly that. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Google Trends to analyze this search interest, compare multiple topics, identify rising trends, and uncover seasonal opportunities. You will also learn how to use filters like region, time range, and category to find ideas that match your niche and audience. So right now we are at the website of the Google Trend. If you just type in the Google Trend, and then you will read to this website. Okay, so we are going to explore. So let's click on this explore button so that I can show you how this Google Trends website works. Okay, so you can type your query in the search term, and you can also select the country. Let's suppose we want to search for in we want to search in United States. So here we will go for the United. I have selected United States, and you can also check the trend for the past 24 hour or past 30 days. So I will select the past 30 days, and here you can also select your categories. Okay, so let's suppose we are going to search something about gaming, and you can do research on the base image search, news search, Google shipping search. So it's up to you. So I'm going to keep it as web search. More, let's do a research about modern warfare gaming trends. Let's see what are the stats in United States. Okay, so this search doesn't have any enough data. Let's look for any other thing. Gaming trends. There's a spelling mistake. Let me correct it. So as you can see that it has provided the trends regarding the gaming in United States in the past 30 days. So it has collected data from the web search, and as you can see that it has the maximum trend at November 23, 24, 25, and the trend has been decreasing down till this December. Okay, and you can also check the interest by region within the United States. In Virginia, it has maximum viewership. As you can see that you can also check for the rating wise. As you can see here related topics, you can also check the related topics and the related queries. So in this way you can analyze any of the topic through the Google Trends, and then you can plan your next niche or your category for the post. So that's how you basically use. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.